Oh, yep, people are boarding. That's a good sign. It means our flight did not leave. Yes, that's good. The Plaza lounge was lovely. The food was good. The heavy-handed bartender was amazing. Double shot of vodka turned into a quadruple. That's what happens when your flight gets delayed. So after 4 months of working, saving, playing, socializing, eating, drinking, partying in Brisbane, we realized that the clock is ticking on our 1-year working holiday visa. It's time to pack all of our things into our bags, head over to the airport, and fly to our next destination. So this is it, our home in the West End, the place that we've called home for the past 4 months. If you think a 1-year working holiday visa is too long, believe me, it's not. It's gonna go by in the blink of an eye.
It's just the normal route, right?
Yeah, normal route's fine. This is our foodie bag.
You haven't noticed that it's the flight's delayed?
Yeah, 7:25. We're flying back to New Zealand.
Dun dun dun!
Surprise! This isn't gonna be a really long stay. We're only gonna be in New Zealand for 2 weeks. Link's been working with that New Zealand company, and so they invited her back to New Zealand. Flight and hotel covered. I'm just tagging along. So we're gonna head into Dunedin. That's where the conference is gonna be, which is great because that means that we can catch up with my cousin. And how are we doing over here? 8.4. We're under. That's good.
No, it's
No? 7? Oh, 7's the carry-on limit. Sorry. All right, Ling. It's the moment of truth.
It's the moment of truth.
All right.
Dun 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 dun!
Well done. You've been practicing, eh? Bye.
Friends, be nice.
All right, bags have been checked in. We can head through to security. Ling and I had a bunch of food that we had to go through before we left Brisbane. So I whipped up a 5-egg bacon and mushroom and cheese omelet, and then Ling took the avocados that we had and made some guacamole. Better than letting all that food go to waste, but even at that, we still had like a bag full of food. The good thing about it is that we were staying at a boarding house, so there's 13 people there that would be interested. It was awesome. Wait, announcement.
Good evening and welcome to customers traveling on Emirates Flight E.
The Corretto Cafe bar next door, they're playing this awesome 90s playlist. Now they're playing Semi-Charmed Life, and I'm drawing a blank. Like, this is only my karaoke song since the beginning of time, and I forgot who sings it. It's not Matchbox 20, right?
Nope. You want a hint?
Wait. Yeah, tell me.
Their name is reminiscent of the chakra.
Third Eye Blind. Oh my god, come on. How do I forget something like that?
What a cute little bottle of water there.
Oh, this guy couldn't travel. Too bad.
He's so small and cute. He can't possibly do anything wrong. Bye. Bye, Brisbane water.
Hello, New Zealand water. Lynn's been watching Peaky Blinders, so she's on this Chivas Regal thing.
Or just whiskey.
Is Chivas even Irish? I don't even know.
I don't
But
know.
she just wants her whiskey fix, so that's why we're at the duty free.
Thomas fucking Shelby.
Did you get your whiskey Irish?
Oh, you did. Duty free exclusive. Teeling. Teeling. Yeah, I didn't notice.
I'm gonna be drinking that at the hotel room while I'm waiting for your stuff to be done. With
I
Mark,
paid for it.
your boss's husband. We're just gonna be there getting smashed.
How are you?
Good, you?
Good, thanks. And who are you flying with?
Air New Zealand.
In New Zealand? Where are you off to?
Auckland. It says 6:05 to board. I got a notification saying that our 7:05 flight got delayed 30 minutes. I just want to check out this lounge because it's included with our Visa card. You know, we get 6 complimentary visits. Wow. This is fine. beautiful. Look how cozy this is. Ambient. Yeah. We should probably load up on drinks and food before. Thank you so much. Check this out. You just chill out here, charge your phone, and enjoy a Great Northern if you want to. So, Ling, what are you partaking in?
Well, I was gonna get you food too, but now that you're here, you can get it yourself.
Beef bourguignon and chicken wings. Cool. I got pizza over here as well. Pasta napolitana with fresh herbs. Wow. What kind of wine did you get?
I was like gonna get a bourbon. Maybe later.
Maybe start with wine first and then move on to the spirits.
Maybe.
Checking to see if they have showers here. But you know me, I like taking a shower before a flight just for the novelty of it. Cool, thank you very much.
I'm Mark. I like to pretend that I'm bougie by going to airport lounges, but yet I feel the need to videotape myself doing it. Therefore, how bougie are you?
Yeah, pretty good pasta salad. I have a ham wrap, but I'm not hungry though. You want it?
Yes, just take a bite.
Cool, thank you.
No worries.
Alors j'ai commandé une vodka et Sprite, puis elle m'a demandé un double, un simple. And I was like, double. Not bad. So we've been in the Plaza Premium Lounge for over an hour. It's safe to say that our flight's been delayed. It's currently 7:11 and the screen's still showing boarding soon, which is fine by me. Ling, on the other hand, just wants to get to New Zealand.
I just don't want to miss the flight. It'll just make things so complicated.
You'll be tired at the event.
I just don't want to miss the flight. Period. They just sent me the refund for the flight. To give it back. I think I'm going to get some carrot cake.
Ling's gonna get some carrot cake.
She poured that bourbon so heavy.
Super heavy, eh?
Must have been a big double, if not a...
So, I don't know which bars this woman has worked at, but when you tell her double, it basically means quadruple. All right. Well, it's a good thing our flight got delayed. Well, we just saw on the screen there that our flight is boarding right now at gate 77. Because our flight got delayed 30 minutes, it means we got to stick around the lounge for an hour. And I'm feeling pretty ill. But we need to get to our gate and get to Auckland. We're not out of the woods yet, guys. So once we get on this plane, we gotta mask up.
Take your hat off for me, please.
No worries.
You enjoy your flight.
Cool, thank you.
It's just a fair bit cooler than here. Now, excuse me, this time, Penny and her team will be showing you a very important safety briefing, and I would just, so we've got all our bits and pieces, we'll head off very shortly. We'll take off on the southerly runway, do a bit of left-hand turn, and climb our way up to somewhere around 35,000 feet or so. Nice quick crossing time tonight of less than 3 hours. Should be fairly smooth in the cruise, but if we do have any bumps, have to turn on those signs. Please do follow that instructions just to keep yourself and my crew nice and safe. The weather in Auckland at the moment, not too bad folks, just a fair bit cooler than here. Now, excuse me, this time, Penny and her team will be showing you a very important safety briefing, and I would...